How to manage folders in Wrike. Hello friends, welcome to another tutorial. This tutorial I'll be teaching you how you can manage folders in Wrike. So let's watch to the end. One thing you must notice is that folders play a crucial role in organizing your work items within the platform, and here is how to effectively manage them. So the first step is to log in into your Wrike account, and the second thing is to go ahead and create a folder. And how can you do this? I move it to the left side of the screen where you can see some icons or some options such as search, inbox, more, advertisement, space overview, tools, projects, and folders. Create projects or folder. So to do this, just click on the more option button, and then you can see all of the projects here. Then you can just click on the plus icon here. And after clicking on the plus icon, you would see create project. Then by the lower part of the box being displayed, you can see project, and then you can see folder. So you're sure you select folder, and then you can see that default view has changed. So select default view you want. Which of the default view do you want? For me, I'll just work with board, and then the folder name. So you could just make it a name like team, for example. Then you have to select the location of the project. All right, which of the workspace do you want it to be? For me, it's advertisement, so I will leave it like that. Then you can also change the kind of settings you want. Do you want it to be private? Do you want it to be shared with your team? Do you want specific users and groups? Then once you're done, click on create, and just like that, your folder would be created. So now that it has been created, the next thing to do is to edit the folder. You can edit the folder by opening the folder item, by viewing the folder info here, and there you can check it out, check out things that you can do on the folder. And then here you can also add, click on the plus icon here to add the different kind of views that you want. And then you can see on this page that there are active tags, there's priority, all right, there's colons. And then by the at the last part you can see the more option button where you can either export this project or this folder to Excel, or you can import more folders. And then you can add new items the way you want. You can add items completed. You can now move to the side here. You also check out things that you would want to do on the folder. All right, so once you have all of this, another thing that you can do is to add tags to the folder. And then the major way to add tags to the folder is to drag necessary folder or the tags from the left hand navigation panel onto a tags. All right, what that means is that you can just move to the left side of the screen. This is the navigation panel. Then you can just drag this folder here, locate the tags you want to put it in, and drop it there. All right. Currently, I have no tags here. That is why this place is like this. But once you have tags being displayed, all you need to do is to hold it down, drag it, and place it under the tags, and it will be found there. So this is how it works. This is how you can manage your folders in Wrike. Thanks for watching, and have a good